Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very elegant and very awesome mini scrapbook which is made using only one single paper. And this is very easy to create and you can create it very quickly to gift anyone or to someone special. So I have added the pockets on each side, and in each pocket I have added tags to add photos and messages. And you can add photo and write any message on back side of this. Isn't it beautiful? So let's start with the procedure. For this we need some 3mm strips, quilling tool, ball tool, ruler, punched border, scissor, some punched hearts and butterfly, liquid glue, some pattern papers, and one pattern paper you need which should be 28 by 28 centimeters, and satin ribbon. So I'm taking this pattern paper which is 28 by 28 centimeters, and from left side I'm scoring some lines. So first score on 7 centimeter, then 14 centimeters, then 21 centimeters. Now fold all the creases. Like this. So it should be mountain, valley and mountain. Now rotate your paper, and from left side I am marking on 4.5. Similarly on right side I am marking on 4.5 centimeters. Now I'm again creasing these markings. Fold these creases. Now I am folding this whole flap from the middle. So you will get a center crease, and there are 3 portions. So now I am cutting this crease from the bottom till the last crease. So only till this point. Now I am just folding these flaps in zigzag manner to create the scrapbook. Isn't it easy? Yeah, so your scrapbook is ready. I will show you one more time. So there are some flaps open, so we need to connect these flaps. So I'm just applying little glue and connecting these open flaps. like this. So now we have 4 pages inside the scrapbook. Now I'm taking my double-sided tape and just creating the pockets. So just cut one small piece of strip and securing the pocket. Remove the liner and just connect it. So your pocket is ready. In the same way, I have already added double-sided tape on all open pockets to secure it. So all the pockets are ready. Now I'm taking this pattern paper strip which measures 3.5 by 10 centimeters. I have just folded this in half. Add little glue on the edge and connect from outer side. Similarly, add glue on other side edge and secure from back side. So your cute scrapbook or photograph album is ready. It should be little gap between these strip and album so that we can easily open it. Now I'm taking this satin ribbon to close your scrapbook. So just apply a little glue and connect the satin ribbon from both the sides of the scrapbook. Now I'm taking this designer border punch and decorating the front part of the scrapbook. Now I'm taking this pattern paper which measures 6 by 9 centimeters and I'm creating the tag out of this. So from the top I'm marking on 1 centimeter from both the sides. Rotate your paper and mark on 1.5 centimeters from both the sides and just join it diagonally. Now I will cut these diagonal lines. So your tag is ready. Now to pull this tags, I am adding punched heart from both the sides. And also adding one tiny brown color heart inside this. So this is done. In the same way, I have created one more tag. Now open your scrapbook and just insert these tags inside these pockets. In the same way, I have added tags in all pockets. So you can just add photos and write any message on these tags. Now you can close your scrapbook by tying knot using ribbon like this. Now to decorate this, I am making some quilling flowers. For the first flower, I am taking 1 strip of pink and 1/4 strip of purple and making one Malaysian flower petal. So the petal is ready. In the same way, we need total 7 petals. So I am joining all the petals together for the flower, and for the center I am using tight coil. The tight coil is made using 1 strip of peach color. So flower is ready. Now for the next flower, I am taking half strip of purple color and making one tight leaf shape. Like this. Now join all 5 petals together, and this time for the center I am using brown tight coil, which is made using 1/4 strip of brown. So tiny flowers are also ready. I am showing you how to create these leaves. So I have already created 2 loop leaves. For this I am taking sap green color strip and just making 4 loops in increasing order. Cut excess strip and secure the end. Now I am joining all 3 loop petals together to construct the leaf. So leaf is ready. Now I am joining flower and leaf on the front part of the scrapbook. Now I am adding this punched butterfly and this memory sentiment. Now just open your scrapbook, and I am adding this designer punched border on the bottom. And also adding this punched butterfly. So the beautiful tiny miny scrapbook is ready. I'm sure you have enjoyed my video. And I'm sure you will try this scrapbook very soon. This is a very quick gift for the birthday or any occasion. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.